How many times do you find yourself designing an off-the-shelf part when you have all the information in front of you, but do you know the information that you're building and you're designing in is a good design? Well, as we can see here inside of our binder, we have some gear data information. But you know something? I'm going to use a tool inside of Solid Edge called Engineering Reference. Engineering Reference offers us a wide variety of ready-to-build engineering components such as gears, pulleys, shafts, but it's all done from a parameter-driven interface. And you can see that the results that you put in are good or no good and go right into it. Next, we want to be able to assemble those. And whenever you use an engineering reference, we automatically put those assembly constraints for gears, let's say, in there as a gear relationship. So now all I have to do is go through and add an actual motor to here, to my gears. Gear relationships are already there, but now I can go through and animate this to see, is my design going to work correctly? And it does. Another type of off-the-shelf part is a belt. We know that whenever you buy belts, you buy them in certain lengths. Well, inside of Solid Edge, what we can do is we can assign assembly parts to 2D sketches. Why is that? Well, basically we have a tool inside of Solid Edge called GoalSeek. GoalSeek is monitoring how long this belt is for us. So I can make sure that my design is going to fit the off-the-shelf part that we have in our department, or I need to call a supplier to get that. And so GoalSeek goes through, constantly monitors that type of information for us. So whenever I go through and I make a change to this, it will go through and actually find what that is. So if I go out and say, well, the supplier tells me that I can, they only have a certain belt length, or out on the shop floor we have a certain belt length, it will go through and it will automatically adjust that part for you and give you the design tools that you need at your fingertips and be able to go through and get your design quickly. Another way of doing this is actually looking at supplier type parts. Inside of Solid Edge we have Cadenas. Cadenas is a part community. It's out on the website. You can search different things to find different parts, but you simply drag and drop those parts inside of Solid Edge and be able to control how their mates are retained, so you can quickly add as many as you need very quickly and very easily. So with standard parts, Engineering Reference, Cadenas, and GoalSeek, you can be assured that you're going to accelerate your design inside of Solid Edge.